Okay, this is 6.2. It's an easy one, determining the best buy. So basically we're just going to be comparing maybe certain deals to one another, which is the best deal. So you guys can work through the try these, get your calculator out and just do these 4 simple dividing questions, not that hard. Okay, so Indy is an interior designer. She is choosing fabric for curtains for her client's living room. Linen curtains, or linen, sells at $38.25 for 3 yards. Okay, so that's 3 square yards. Basically, it's 3 yards or 9 feet by 1 yard wide. That's how big the fabric is. And she's considering cotton at $60 for 8 yards. So which fabric has the lower unit price? The unit price means cost per 1 yard. Okay, the word unit means 1. What is the price per yard for each fabric? Well, the linen is just $38.25 divided by 3. So we'll take our calculator here, turn it on, and we'll take $38.25. We'll divide that by 3, and that will give us a cost for 1 yard, so $12.75 per 1 yard. $12.75 per yard for the linen. Now the cotton was $60 for 8 yards, so we'll take our calculator and we'll do 60 divided by 8, and we get a cost of $7.50 per yard. So obviously cotton is considerably cheaper than linen. Linen is a much higher quality material or fabric. So which fabric has a lower unit price? Well, we know that the cotton does. Okay, so what other factors might Indy consider when buying fabric? Well, certain things we have to consider are the choice of the customer. So we can see customer choice, quality, because I'm assuming that if something costs more money, it's higher quality. Maybe we have to take into account color. Okay, so those are some things you have to consider when you're going to choose what you want to use, and that's obviously up to the customer. They can choose the expensive linen or the cheaper cotton depending on what they want. Okay, let's do a second example. Osmani is a tour operator. He offers 2 types of tours of Banff. Deluxe Tour offers 90 minutes of sightseeing for $36, and the Supreme Tour offers 4 hours of sightseeing for $84. Which tour offers a better price per hour? Okay, so the Deluxe Tour unit price is 90 minutes. Well, 90 minutes, we have to get that into hours because we can't have 2 different units. We can't be talking about hours here and minutes here. We have to convert one or the other. So let's go the 90 minutes, let's convert it to hours. Well, 90 minutes we know is 1.5 hours, so we can say 1.5 hours. Okay? 36 divided by 1.5, so we take our calculator. Let's do 36 divided by 1.5, and it costs $24 per hour. That's what he's charging, $24 an hour for the Deluxe Tour. Well, the Supreme Tour unit price is $84 for 4 hours, so we'll divide that by 4, and let's see what that unit price is. 84 divided by 4 equals $21 an hour. Okay, so which tour offers a better price per hour? Well, obviously the Supreme Tour does. So if you want to go on a tour for 4 hours, you get it for $21 an hour. It's a little bit cheaper. If you want to go for the 1.5 hour one, it's $24 per hour. So you get a little bit of a break if you go for the 4 hour tour, but 4 hours is a long time for some people, and they just want to go on the 1.5 hour tour. Okay? All right, so that's all there is for this chapter on determining the best buy. Go ahead and do the practice.